What's up, guys? Out here for a construction bash. I've been looking around for a new spot and I just came across this, and hopefully I won't get kicked out. Doesn't look like there's anybody here, but you know how that goes. Got my Kraton. I tried to run it last time when I had the Techno, but I found out I just took off in it. I don't know if it happened from the last bash or what, but my rear diff had let go. I just had a free spinning tire. And also the rear suspension mounts, I had broke one, or I just had the plastic piece, and the metal part only had half of that. And Voltage Hobbies is out of stock right now, so I ordered this GPM. I know it's not as good a quality, but it seems to be holding up so far. I just put the rear on so far, and it seems to be holding up, so it's definitely better than stock, and we'll see how it goes. But let's just get a feel for a new area. Oh! Well, guys, I just started driving and I noticed a really weird sound from our rear bearing here, and this bearing has apparently failed. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out real quick. Woo! Man, that was a big jump. Man. Barely saved that one. Just keeps unplugging, guys. Might need to go tape it up. Woo! Yeah, I actually broke both of my front body posts just now. Or broke the screws off, so I had to put new screws in it. That's how you know you're taking some hard landings. Oh, that was weird. She landed, then it glitched real bad. Caused her to flip. The ESC seems to be glitching a little bit anyway. I'm not sure what's up with that. All right, guys, I might go for another jump. I want to don't do any major damage. Whoa. Sounds like I lost my pinion. That might be a sign I need to downsize the pinion anyway. Yeah. Well, actually the motor mount shifted, but alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop now while I'm ahead. Got the homemade Kraton, loving it. Woo, dust. I'm hoping we'll get back out here again soon. I don't see any major breakages. I gotta, like, you know, my body post of, need to redo that and check everything over, but I'm glad to get out to a new spot, change up the scenery. We'll get out again soon. Peace out.